it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout here, and I'm scrapbooking the second day of a yearly vacation that my grandkids take with their parents and my daughter-in-law's dad. So the place and all that kind of stuff is often the same. So I'm going to use that aqua paper, the Doodlebug Petite Prints in Swimming Pool Dot Stripe. And then I'm going to add, and I think I scrapbook like 10 photos on these 2 pages. And then I'm thinking I'm going to use that Bella Boulevard stripe right behind that. So I'm just getting these on. So I cut these photos, and this is kind of the arrangement. I'm playing with the arrangement a little bit about what I'm going to do. And I'm thinking, originally I'm thinking I'm going to use that stripe behind the aqua, and then I'm starting to think, no, I'm going to do the green. So I'm going to play with a couple of different greens here. And I like that, but I don't love it. It feels a little bit too matchy-matchy to all the grass in these photos. And lots of times I do use green with outdoor photos, but it's just not working well for me. So what I decided to do, instead of mounting like 5 photos on the aqua, I decided I'm going to do just 3, and I'll mount the other 2 below that aqua paper somewhere. Okay, so here's where the stripe comes in. And I've gone back to using this stripe because it's bright and it's fun, and it has a lot of the colors in here that are in the photos. And I think I'm looking for other paper because I'm not loving this. I didn't love the green. And then I'm thinking maybe I need some yellow. And so I'm grabbing some yellow papers here. I think I'm trying to find a second sheet of yellow here. I don't always do exactly the same from side to side, but in this case I want to. And I find the perfect yellow paper. It looks like wood, and it's from Doodlebug Petite Prints. It's the Bumblebee Buffalo Check Wood Grain paper. And I really like that. Well, sorry, forgot. I struggled with this, and I left this in so you can really see me as I'm struggling. Sorry, I forgot. I went back again, and now I'm looking at the green again and trying to decide, do I like the green better or do I like the yellow better? I spoiled it. I like the yellow better. And now look at this. Now I've got blue because there's so much blue in M2's Life Vest there. And I did like it, but I thought that it emphasized him a little bit too much. Thinking about just putting a little bit of the stripe behind that. And then I decide, you know what? Okay, you like the yellow. It pops the blue on here. It pops the green. Let's do that. So again, that's the Doodlebug Petite Prints in the Bumblebee color for the Buffalo Check and Wood Grain. And I'm going to do that on both sides, kind of in the arrangement I have on the right, where I'll do the 2. And M3, who's my granddaughter with that hat on backwards, just killed me when I saw these photos. So cute. And I love the photo on that bottom right there with her and M4 because they're pretty close in age. They're only about 15 months apart, and he can annoy her like no other. Well, actually, she also has a problem with M2 sometimes. You know how siblings are with your closest sibling. And with M2, it's more that she wants to join in on the party, and he doesn't want his little sister tagging along all the time. So, sibling stuff. Anyway, I did cut down some of these photos here a little bit, or that one photo on the right on that left page on the bottom, just because there was a lot of extra stuff that didn't need to be there. And I thought I might be able to like embellish or do something like that with it. As I said before, a lot of this is repeats, things that happen year after year after year. And so I'm not I'm not spending a ton of time documenting it. I'm just putting the pictures down because these pictures will be taken again next year in some form or another. But I like that you get to see the growth in the kids and the fun they had. They'll remember. They have the memories. I wasn't there, so I don't. All right, so the green labels I'm adding in here, the green label I'm adding in right here is from Ellie Studio. It's the label sticker, so I'm going to add a rectangular one down there because I have quite a bit of circular stuff there. I have a little fish, so the die cuts here, that fish is coming from the Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0 ephemera icons, and then I have that puffy geotag that I just added to that by that fish there that says I am here. That is from Bella Boulevard Time to Travel, the puffy stickers. And then I'm adding more Ellie Studio labels, more die cuts from that Bella Boulevard Tiny Tots 2.0 collection there. And then you can see I have the little boat, which is a die cut from that 2.0 collection as well. And then kind of playing around with some labels up here because I have them in the other two clusters. I want one in this cluster as well. And eventually I settle on the circle here too. So the circles are represented pretty heavily in all three of the clusters, as is a little bit of a green label and some die cuts. And I like the little I am here geotag just because, you know, they're there. That's their place every summer that they go. Okay, so I'm tapping there because I'm not sure that I'm quite done. Plus, I'm thinking that's the place where I want to put the title, which is just day 2. I'm using these Lily Bee design letter stickers that are really old. Like I think 20, I don't know, 11, 12, 13, somewhere in that neighborhood. So probably 10 years old. And I don't use them as much as I should. I mean, look at how great they would be for subtitles. And I love little letter stickers. But I just never use them because there's more than one color on a sheet. And I, since they're not with their color family, I don't think of it. So anyway, I've now put them out in front of my letter stickers to hopefully use them. These are the Altenew Cool Summer Nights enamel dots, and I'm just going to add a couple in each of the clusters, 3 to be exact, actually not a couple. And that is just going to give me a little extra touch of something different. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.